The challenges in this market are also where the opportunities are hiding, and that's what I'm going to show you. Let me show you what it actually looked like the last time everyone was waiting when they thought this was the safe move. When rates were record lows, homes were selling in less than 24 hours. Buyers were waiving inspections and appraisals, and if you wanted to win, you had to throw $20,000 to $100,000 over asking just to compete. That was not safe. That was brutal. So while today's higher rates feel painful, they've actually created a window of opportunity that did not exist before. Fewer buyers means less competition and more negotiating power for you. So today, the tables have turned. I've got buyers walking away with seller paid closing costs anywhere from $7,000 to $15,000. I have the sellers paying for 2-1 rate buy downs that drop your monthly payment for the first couple of years. We have sellers that are making repairs and upgrades after inspections, and sellers are being a lot more flexible with the timelines. Not to mention price reductions. We're seeing those. That is something we were not seeing then. Now let's talk numbers. Imagine you're looking at a $400,000 home. If that home appreciates just 4% per year, in 12 months, it could cost you an extra $16,000. Add in that equity you've been building during that year, and the gap gets even wider. And here's the kicker. If rates do drop, competition spikes, and suddenly you're in a bidding war again. That $400,000 house could jump to $450,000 overnight, wiping out any savings from a lower rate. So the risk is not buying now. The risk is waiting and getting priced out. I have the hiccups, excuse me. Here's what I want you to remember. Waiting could mean higher home prices and lost equity. Waiting could mean more competition if rates dip. Waiting could mean continuing to rent instead of building wealth. And on the flip side, acting now can mean leverage, seller credits, and equity growth starting today. So the real risk is not moving forward. The real risk is sitting out too long and missing the window where buyers actually have the power.